Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you how I take some of this basic vase filler and change it to fit into my color scheme that I'm using for this year's fall decor. Now if you watched my last video, you would have seen that my color scheme is non-traditional. So I'm going to take some of these traditional colors and spray paint them to fit into my decor. Okay guys, so I'm not going to share with you the spray painting process on camera, but I wanted to share with you how I spray paint these really small pieces and the odd shaped pieces. So what I do is just place them in a box, and then I spray and shake the box back and forth to evenly coat all sides, and that seems to work pretty well for me. Okay, so just to show you what I mean, I want to be sure you understand, I'm going to use the same process, but I'm going to use latex paint. And I'm just going to drop it in the box. So this is how it turned out. This is the ivory, the silver, and I even found some purple leaves. Now I found these leaves at Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99 in the fall section and 40% off. Now I could have painted them for sure, but they were perfect color to what I'm doing in my fall decor. So for that price, there was no reason not to get them. But I do want to let you know that you can paint the leaves. I had these leaves from last year that I painted, and they were your traditional orange as well as these pumpkins. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you buy things at Goodwill or Dollar Tree, all of this stuff came from Dollar Tree. Don't be afraid to explore and paint to match or to get it the color that you want. I want to give you a closer look so that you can see that I intentionally did not give it a solid coat. You don't want it to look spray painted, so you want it to have some texture and some varying color, just like they did on the leaves. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple examples of how I place them in a vase. And then Friday, if you're interested in seeing how they look in some of my rooms, come back and I will show you how I put it all together. Thanks for watching, guys. Now stay tuned for some of the examples.